The ASUS ROG Strix Scope 296 wireless gaming keyboard is designed for gamers seeking both performance and customization. This keyboard offers tri-mode connectivity via 2.4 GHz wireless, Bluetooth, or USB-C, providing flexibility for various setups. It features hot-swappable ROG NX snow switches that are pre-lubed for smooth keystrokes, enhanced by dampening foam and switch dampening pads for quieter operation. The PBT double-shot keycaps ensure durability, while customizable RGB lighting adds a touch of personal flair. With its 96% layout, compact design, and sleek black finish, it strikes a balance between functionality, style, and space-saving ergonomics. Gamers are praising the ASUS ROG Strix Scope 296 for its versatile tri-mode connection, allowing for seamless transitions between wireless and wired setups, perfect for those who switch between devices. The ROG NX snow switches provide a satisfying and responsive typing experience, and the pre-lubed design ensures smooth, quiet key presses. The hot-swappable feature is loved by users who want to customize or change their switches without needing to solder. The compact 96% layout is another highlight, offering all essential keys while saving desk space. The PBT keycaps are also appreciated for their durability and premium feel, and the customizable RGB lighting is a visual bonus for gamers looking to personalize their setup. Some users have noted a few drawbacks with the ASUS ROG Strix Scope 296. A common critique is the learning curve associated with the 96% layout, as it condenses keys, which may take time to get used to for users familiar with a full-size keyboard. While the keyboard's dampening features reduce noise, some users have mentioned that it still produces more sound than expected for a silent setup. Additionally, the RGB lighting, while customizable, could be brighter for those seeking more vibrant backlighting. A few users also found the price point higher compared to other wireless gaming keyboards, especially considering its compact layout. The ASUS ROG Strix Scope 296 wireless gaming keyboard is a fantastic option for gamers looking for a high-performance, customizable, and compact keyboard. With its tri-mode connectivity, smooth pre-lubed switches, and hot-swappable design, it offers flexibility and a premium typing experience. While the 96% layout may take some time to adapt to, and the RGB lighting could be brighter, its overall build quality, durability, and noise reduction features make it a strong contender for gamers seeking both functionality and style in a compact form.